Hi guys, today we're doing a Billie Eilish. I'm doing a karaoke version of Billie Eilish. Just before I go, let's just start. I actually tried to do this video a few times and it failed. So yeah, let's just go. Take me to a rooftop, I wanna see the world when I stop breathing, turning blue. Tell me love is endless, don't be so pretentious. Leave me like you do. If you need me, wanna see me, better hurry, 'cause I'm leaving soon. Sorry, can't save me now. Sorry, I don't know how. Sorry, there's no way out but down, down. Taste me, the salty tears on my cheek. That's all a year-long headache. Just to you, I'm not okay. I feel so scattered. Don't say I'm all that matters. Leave me. Deja vu. If you need me, wanna see me, better hurry, I'm leaving soon. Sorry, can't save me now. Sorry, I don't know how. Sorry, there's no way out but down, down. Call my friends and tell them that I love them, and I'll miss them, but I'm not sorry. Call my friends and tell them that I love them, and I'll miss them. Sorry. Okay, that's it. That's it. I can't even speak. That's it of my cover. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video. Blah blah blah. Yeah, whatever YouTubers say.